Welcome again to Rough Diamond Recipes. Today's recipe is green chilli and red lentil soup. As normal, a full list of ingredients can be found in the description box below. Listen up people, it's Sunday afternoon. There's two rock bands playing in my local pub today, so I want to go and see them after narrating this video. So buckle in, it's going to be a quick ride. Okay, the first thing you do is heat the oil in a circular sized pan. When it's nice and hot, add the onions and fry off for a minute or two. When the minute or two are up, add the garlic, ginger and green chillies to the pan and continue to fry off for a further 2 or 3 minutes. The next thing to go in is the curry powder. Simply mix in and fry off for about 30 seconds. When the 30 seconds are up, add the coconut milk in.
Are you ready yet?
I'm going as quick as I can. When the coconut milk is brought up to temperature, it's time to add in the red lentils. Then it's time to add salt and pepper to taste and 2/3 of the stock. Bring up to temperature and simmer for 10 minutes. And make sure you've got everything. I'm not coming back for bloody eyeliner like I did last week. When the 10 minutes are up and the lentils are cooked, it's time to add in the chopped tomatoes. Mix through and bring up to temperature. Then when this is done, add any remaining stock to give you the consistency you want in your soup. And there you have it, green chilli and red lentil soup. Hope you enjoyed this recipe. Feel free to subscribe, share and like, and hopefully we'll see you soon in the next one. Bye for now. Get your coat without here.
Okay, 2 minutes. I need a wee before we go.
Jesus, nothing changes.